विराट कोहली ने अपनी ट्वीट में लिखा था, जब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी रिटायर हो रहे थे, उन्होंने लिखा था थैंक्स फॉर एवरीथिंग स्किप, आई टिप माई हैट टू यू। सो व्हेन ही सेड आई टिप माई हैट टू यू, उसका मतलब क्या है वही मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं, एंड दैट इज द फ्रेज ऑफ द डे। व्हेन यू से आई टिप माई हैट टू यू, it means, it can mean two things. One is you're giving them respect because of what they did, and here Virat Kohli was giving respect, when he said I tip my hat to you, to Mahendra Singh Dhoni for what he has done to Virat Kohli and for what he has done for entire country. No doubt he has made us proud, right? Under his captaincy, India has won many titles, which is amazing. And एक तो ये मतलब हो गया, you give them, if you want to give somebody some respect for what they've done, you say I tip my hat to you. That's a way of saying that I give you respect, bro. Number two is you can use this when you want to give somebody or people credit and praise for what they did. When you want to give people credit and praise for what they did, उनकी प्रशंसा करनी हो तो भी आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं। कैसे? I'll make a sentence, but before that let me create a scenario so that you'll understand it well. Let's say there was a big event, हाँ आपका कोई बड़ा event था, and there were 20 people who worked day and night to make this event a success, and eventually this event became a grand success. तो आप जाके सबको थैंक यू बोलेंगे, right? तो you can use this I tip my hat when you give them praise and credit for what they've done. So you can say something like, I tip my hat to everybody because you guys have contributed so much to make this event a grand success. That's how we can use this phrase. Okay, it's a cool thing, it's not very common. You can use it. Chances are some people might not understand when you say this, but hey, that's a good thing, right? That means you know more. Secondly, you can teach them if they don't know, and they'll be cool, isn't it? It's not easy to make such videos. It takes a lot of efforts, it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of everything, even money is involved. So I want to thank you guys for appreciating my work, but it'll be really very nice if you could also share it so that it could reach other people and so that other people can also be helped, which is my motto anyway. Alright, on that note, I'll sign off. Thank you so much, and you take care of yourself and keep smiling and keep hustling. Bye.